I know Paul is boss. Today is January the 1st, 2021. New year, new day. So happy new year to you all. However, today's video is going to be on dancehall living legend, Beenie Man, who has been charged with breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Noise Abatement Act yesterday in St. Elizabeth. And this is reporting from Nationwide 90 FM News. I'm going to also play the promotional video. I did see the promotional video, and I did see things circulating to say Beenie Man got arrested, but I thought it was a joke. However, it was not. So let's have a look.
St. Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, and I care who wants it. So if you know where the party there, we have to there, the party name 12 to 7. So we have bonfire, and you know some new, you know everything good. So, you know, walk with the money. Yeah. If you come and broke, you alone it go sweet. Walk with the money. That's the idea.